Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will share the AliExpress unboxing video with you. First of all, I decided to unbox the kitchen organizer. I had already unboxed some of them because I was so excited. Here is a wall-mounted spicy storage rack. This is great quality material and easy to set up. It even comes with hooks, pins, glue and a user guide for setup. I will mention the link in the description box for your convenience. Next, let's unbox a 360-degree rotating spice organizer rack. This is also made from great quality material and it is simple to set up. I'm sure it will be perfect for your kitchen and mine. I'm waiting to receive them. It's so cute and elegant looks. It will be perfect for my makeup kit. There is eye brushes and lip brushes with 15 pieces with this package. Now I am unboxing my other package. It has many colors and I have many options to choose from. I'm confused about which one to select. I ordered 4 colors of nail gels, top coat, the best coat and especially matte coat. I will mention the link in the description box for your convenience. I ordered this torch for my mother and she was pleased with the quality. It's a bit small but it's perfect for her hand. It's rechargeable and easy to use. When I was suffering in AliExpress, I accidentally saw this and then I ordered. This shoulder bags is great. I'm sure this will be perfect for most of my outfit. I love this. Here is a 4-in-1 seasoning box. It can store 4 spices in one pot. This is most useful for my busy kitchen. Now let's unbox this. There is a elegant jewelry box. It is of a great quality and perfect for organizing your jewelry. I will mention the link in the description box for you. I ordered a box containing 10 colors in 2 different varieties. I love this lip gloss. It's so great quality. I will mention the link in the description box. If you need storage for organizing your makeup products and tools, these are the best makeup pouches. I ordered 2 makeup pouches in 2 different varieties. I will mention the link in the description box for your convenience. Let's unbox my other package. Here's a wireless Bluetooth mouse. It's a rechargeable and I love its smoothness and color. It's comfortable in my hand. Then unbox anti-shake handheld phone holder, which can also be used as a tripod. If you are a content creator, this is an excellent choice for you. It's more comfortable to hold than other selfie stick. This special feature is that the phone can be auto-rotatable and is user-friendly. Additionally, it is rechargeable for your convenience. Then unbox the last package. There's a floral phone pouch. It's good quality material and excellent on my phone. I think my video was useful for you. You can buy this all of product in AliExpress with many more offers. I will mention the link in the description box for your convenience. Thanks for watching the video and let's see in the next video.